What is up, my brew? This is KT Dog again. I'm making a video. This video can be 6 minutes long, by the way. So if it accidentally ends at 6 minutes 52 seconds, sorry about that. Anyways, me and my buddy Hunter, we're having a sleepover at my grandma's house. If you look in my old videos, there's the one with the pool. It's not that nice out anymore, but we're there. I might sneak up and play a computer because I'm sleeping in the dining room right now with my buddy. I don't know if you guys can see. Hunt, do you want to? Here's watch a vid on there. Okay, can you seriously hold it up? Down. And on the we're in school. You guys haven't seen these videos anyways. We're in school. That's right. There's my friend Mia. There's my friend Mia. We were at school and I had to end the video quick because I wasn't supposed to be doing that at school. I had the beautiful face of the mole cat. Anyways, let's do a try.
Okay, let's put the tablet right here.
Let's see, since my buddy's here and we're having a blast anyways. Let's see if we can hit 3 likes on the video and please subscribe. We're gonna do try not to laugh. Bring the tablet over here so I can see. I don't know how to record them off the same thing yet, so. Turn that out.
That's my girl. Good job.
Is that a ring jaguar?
No. A nip at her.
I left.
If you ain't talking money, I don't wanna talk. How you back until I get this sack just by the way I walk.
By the way, he's eating his friend.
Wait, can I show you a funny video?
Okay, I'll be right back. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like. Kids dance to music funny. Stop, Hunter. You're shaking the talent. He's in the piñata. Dance.
Are you listening?
So cute. This isn't even trying to laugh no more. It's funny. It's like it's praying. I'm just getting close to the maximum reach I can go to on this show. Oh God. Yeah. Love this one. Oh, I see. This isn't even dancing. This is a cat fighting.
Because it's standing.
Yeah. How to twerk. Gross. Don't hurt me. Okay, the video is gonna end anytime soon. So we're gonna watch a little bit more of this video. We're good. Like a minute. This cat's hilarious.
Ay, muy cumbra.
There's food there, and they're looking at it. I know.
I think the video ended. Oh, it's got a couple more seconds left.
Okay, a couple more seconds left, and I'll see you guys later because gotta end the video. And goodbye.